Hey guys, it's Kamari, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to shuffle it up. And I am so here it is. So to do this, we're going to start by doing the white plus or cross, most people call it. So these are what you're trying to solve. The color right here on the white matters. If you have this entire white side, it won't be solved most likely because this matters. So you want to match this red color right here with the red side right there, red milk. Boom. Next, this blue and white side, we want it to turn the top like this and flip it up. For now, it's with it, and then turn it back to the red and blue. So this one's green, so we turn it upside down. For now, it's on the bottom. See? On the yellow. Green is right here. So we turn it so that it lines up with the green, and we turn the green like that. Now, look around for the last piece. The orange. Okay. The orange you're almost always going to have to turn like here. For me, I'm turning it like that. Then I turn it to the top, to the side, for it shows the empty side. Pop it up and turn it back to the correct spot. Orange, blue, red, and green. Red, blue, green, orange. Okay. Now we're going to do the corners. So the corners have to be the same color as the two next to it. So blue, and because this may be white, but it's blue and orange, so it's not the right one. This orange and green, right, will go right here. So let's move it. Okay. To get it up, we're going to want to turn both of those that way, turn it up, and then turn them back, like that. Okay, we're going to, this one is the red and blue, so we're going to put it over here. Now, we're going to do it, same thing, but it goes up twice, and then that will push it, but that pushes it into the right spot, so then turn it back over here, and we do it again. Like that. Now this way. So this is red and green. This is red and green. We push it up like that. And that. And down. The final one, blue and orange. We just turn it, turn up, turn that. There we go. We got the top side done. I'm so sorry if this video isn't going to help you, because if you're trying to solve the Rubik's Cube, I do not suggest taking my tutorial and instead going and checking out somebody else's. But you can at least try with this. Now, and this is part 1. Next week, I'm going to post part 2, the middle layer. And then the week after that, I'll post part 3, the last layer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe hit the notification bell to stay notified, and hit the like button if you love this video. Bye!